Hello viewers, welcome back to another great video. In this video we are going to discuss about how to make decisions in life in 10 simple steps. Let's jump into the video. Making the right decisions in life can be tricky, especially when facing critical or difficult choices. To ensure that you make well-informed judgments, there are steps you may take. Here are 10 steps to consider when making decisions. 1. Clarify the decision you need to make. Before you can make an informed decision, you need to establish exactly what the decision is that you need to make. This may require characterizing the problem or circumstance you are facing, and identifying the elements that are impacting your decision. Create a list of your ideas and possible solutions. 2. Identify your goals and values. Before making a decision, it's important to know what you want to achieve. Make sure you are clear about your goals and what you intend to accomplish. Make sure your choice is consistent with your values and beliefs by giving them some thought. 3. Gather information and seek advice. It's necessary to gather as much information as possible before making a decision. This can involve completing research, talking to individuals who have expertise with the situation, or obtaining guidance from a trusted mentor or professional. Think about both the benefits and drawbacks of each decision. 4. Weigh the pros and cons. Consider carefully the potential benefits and drawbacks of each decision. Try to balance the costs and benefits of each option and consider how each choice could affect your life. Create a list of the benefits and cons and analyze their key results. 5. Consider the long-term implications. While making judgments, it's important to consider the long-term consequences of each choice. Evaluate how each option could affect your future and make sure you are making choices that correspond with your goals and values. 6. Evaluate your emotions. Emotions may be a powerful force in decision-making, and it's crucial to be conscious of how they are impacting your choices. Take the time to evaluate your emotions and consider whether they are clouding your judgment. Evaluate if your decision is impacted by fear, anger, or anxiety. 7. Take your time. Don't rush into making a decision, especially if it is a big or important one. Take the time to reflect on your options and consider all the factors involved. Give yourself enough time to gather information, weigh the pros and cons, and consider your emotions before making a final decision. 8. Use your intuition. Sometimes our intuition can be a powerful guidance when making decisions. Pay attention to your gut feelings and inner voice, and trust your instincts if they are telling you something important. Just make sure to combine your reason and logic with your intuition. 9. Consider the impact on others. While making judgments, it's crucial to consider the impact they will have on other people. Consider how your decision will affect individuals around you, including family, friends, and colleagues. Respect their needs and perspectives, but ultimately make a decision that is in keeping with your aims and goals. 10. Reflect on your decision. After you've decided, give yourself some time to think back on the decision-making procedure and the result. Think about what worked well and what you could change going forward. Utilize the experience as an opportunity to learn and grow, and apply what you've learned to make better judgments in the future. In summary, making the right decisions in life involves clarifying the decision you need to make, identifying your goals and values, gathering information and seeking advice, weighing the pros and cons, considering the long-term implications, evaluating your emotions, taking your time, using your intuition, considering the impact on others, and reflecting on your decision. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of making informed and thoughtful decisions that align with your goals and values. Comment down which one has impressed you, which one you will need to improve in your life. Thank you for watching this whole video. If you like this work, kindly support our channel for regular videos.